Asaman
sa imong aping
nganuman
ako ay mulakaw
asaman
kato sa Davao
audi ay
maayo niini maghimo kitag handumaran
unsaman
panyong binordahan siniprahan sa imong ngalan
audi ay paminaw ra undo
nganuman
ani ay tambag
unsa man
paghinay-hinay do
nganuman
ikaw mabunggo
audi ay
maayo pa undo palayo na lang ka nako
nganuman
kay dili ka gayud makadama ning akong dughan
audi ay paliton ko day ang imong kaanya ani ay 5 nga akong ihatag dawatan na kini
ayaw diha o tinutundo ngano ba og dili ko maminyo
madubok ikaw
bisan
sige na lagi
dili
wanay mo po
ngano ka kuway muligid
kay ang gugma ko dili kamay lang o aron lang makumpos tingali kunya ikaw magbasol niya ng imong hiko-hiko sige na ani ay 5 ni wag ka kuya
Nadarama ko na ang lamig ng hangin. Naririnig ko pa ang maliliit na tinig. May dalang dansang pinagsama-sama kinuwanta muli. Ang mga parol ng bawat tahanay nagniningning.
Ikaw na dyan, like.
Ibang mukha ng saya. Himig ng Pasko'y nadarama ko na. May tatalo pa ba sa Pasko ng Pinas? Ang kaligayahan at di walang kupas. Di alintana kung walang pera. Basta tayo'y magkakasama. Ibang-iba talaga ang Pasko sa Pinas. May simpleng regalo pa si Ninong at si Ninang para sa inaanak na nag-aabang. Ang buong pamilya ay magkakasama sa pagkuhan ng Christmas tree. Ayan ang barkada, ikaw ay niyayaya upang magsimpang gabi. Ibang mukha ng saya.
Thank you so much, Miss Althea Angelica Bacchus, for
to call my own. And I've been given the key by the carpenter of Galilee, with interest paid and titles made to me. When my journey is over, I am going home. Everybody's dreaming of going home, it seems. Lately I am no exception to the rule. But home is so much more than windows, walls, and doors, and warm embrace and smiling faces are waiting you and me. Home where there is no night, home where the stars and lights, the place I've been dreaming for so long. Love was there to welcome me, but his sweet face will be the first I see. When my tour is over, I am going home. Home, home, stars and light, the place I've been dreaming for so long. Love was there to welcome me, but his sweet face will be the first I see. When my journey's over, I am going home. When my journey's over, I am going home. Home.
Thank you so much.
so much. I hope you enjoyed that. I absolutely did. Okay, so thank you so much for that, Callie. So at this juncture, we'll be Miss Miguela Dauba will be performing a solo number for us. I think the title for this song is Reflection from Mulan. Who among you here have seen Mulan? The animated series. Okay, there. Okay, some of you there. So she'll be performing or she'll be singing to us Reflection. Okay, so I think she's ready. Okay, so again, give it up for Mulan. Oh, I'm sorry, Miguela.
You look at me, you think you see who I really am, but you never know me. Every day, it's as if we play a part. Now I see if a rare romance can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? I am now in a world I have to hide my heart and what I believe in, but somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart and be loved for who I am. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection somewhere I don't know? Must I pretend that I'm someone else for a time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? There's a heart that must be free to fly, that burns with a need to know the reason why. Why must we all conceal what we think, how we feel? Must there be a secret need I'm forced to hide? I won't pretend that I'm someone else for a time. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
WOW, wow! It is my first time to hear Miguela sing or sing solo, right? I think it's also the first time of everybody here, especially to those who are Adventists. And I'm very proud of you, Miguela. Keep it up, girl. Okay, so next up, another song rendition, but it is from another group. And it is not yet the Shining Brothers again. So we will be hearing it from the Covenant Brothers. So let's give them a hand, please. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen, for the Covenant Brothers.
Ligo pa.
Load down the chariot and let me ride. Why don't you load down the chariot and let me ride? Load down the chariot, let me ride. 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 Ride on, King Jesus. Ride on, King Jesus. Whoa, please ride on, the conquering King. I wanna go to heaven in the morning. Ride on, King Jesus. Ride on, King Jesus. Whoa, please ride on, the conquering King. I wanna go to heaven in the morning. Well, I've been trying so hard to make it through. I know I'm trying to live the way you want me to. I wanna say goodbye to all the living inside. I don't wanna miss that we glory right. So when you break on through that golden sky, slow it down, don't you pass me by. Swing that chariot way down low. I wanna go like Elijah when I go. Ride on, King Jesus. Ride on, King Jesus. Please ride on, the conquering King. I wanna go to heaven in the morning. Ride on, King Jesus. Ride on, King Jesus. Ride on, the conquering King. I wanna go to heaven in the morning. Oh, low down the chariot. Let me ride. Oh, low down the chariot. Let me ride. Low down the chariot. Let me ride. Low down the chariot. Let me ride. Oh, low down the chariot. Let me ride. Love had played its games for me so long. It tried to believe I never find anyone. Doubt it tried to convince me to give in, said you can win. But one day the sun came and shined through. The rain was up and the sky was blue. And oh, what a revelation to see. Someone was saying, "Are you to me?" Oh, one in a million chance of a lifetime. Life showed compassion and said to me, as broken love for you. One in a million you. I was a lonely man with empty arms to fill. And I is to call my own. And life is worth living again. For to love you to me is to live. Oh, one in a million chance of a lifetime. Life showed compassion and said to me, as broken love for you. One in a million you. Oh, one in a million chance of a lifetime. Life showed compassion and said to me, as broken love for you. One in a million you. A one in a million you.
Caranyosa is a Philippine dance of Hispanic origin from the Maria Clara suite of Philippine folk dances, where the fan or handkerchief plays an instrumental role as it places the couple in romance scenario. The dance was originated in the Panay Islands on the Visayan Islands, and it was introduced by the Spaniards during their colonization of the Philippines. It is related to some of the Spanish dances like the bolero and the Mexican dance, jarabe tapatio, or the Mexican hat dance. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our Cariñosa dance.
Ay, nako. Kabaro ka.
Okay, Jeff Riggs, I think you have a future, man. Okay. I can't believe it. Okay, he really, like, I don't know, how do you say it? Like, I don't know, I'm out of words actually, because he's like, goodness. Alright, so I think next up, we'll be listening to a song. I think, will be performed by Miss Laika Bacchus. And, I think she's ready. Here, Laika, here. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, again guys, let's give it up for Laika!
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, whenever Christmas stars are right. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, whenever Christmas colors are right. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
Thank you so much, Laika. I've I've also been dreaming of a white Christmas. Hopefully soon I'm gonna spend a white Christmas soon. Soonest. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, another song rendition will be given to us by, again, the Covenant Brothers. I hope this time the mic is ready for you. So, Covenant Brothers, please help me welcome, ladies and gentlemen, with a big round of applause, the Covenant Brothers.
Hello, Mike Chess. Hello, Mike Chess. Ay, sige, lo, mapalong na po na ron. Tawag na mo na ron. Ito, galing mo lagi ko. Ako, kuha, galing pa po to. Kuha ka bantay, pag-ara mahilo. Pag-ara na yan. Dali na. Orasin na.
Kansi makan ako kay dua kong mic. May gabi di sa tanan. Ang uban mo wala magtubag. Murag duduhaan maning apat dagan ni sila. Di mo manubag may gabi. Ang Covenant Brothers din uli na. Ang nipuli karon ang kuan bass singers. Kami may gitawag og kuan on bass singers ang Covenant Brothers murag ni relax sa man mo tawhana oy. Ha? Sa man gusto rin ata diri amin ang mula. Ha? Opo, may hapon. Amo orang gi ang mic ko to. Hello mic test. Hello.
Malipong yung microphone pasapasa ba?
Hello mic. Umumara.
Hello.
Okay. Thank you very much.
May gabi.
Okay na. Kumungko na ta?
Oh, dali. Sige. Kaning piece among katahon ni siya muna
Ano nga
siya.
niyo, yabag na ba na gani nga?
Ay. Okay, so sa awang gipo usab og pabalo, kami ang bass singers, ang Covenant Brothers ni pahuway sa sila karyot. So, dito ta, let's sing. 1 2 3.
Nalibog ko ba kay?
Ano mo day?
Nalibog ko sa to ang mga
Wala
tayo.
na ba sila?
Wala. Kadali lang. Good luck sa mo diya. Kadali, mamawali ta dili. Lagi. Kidagan mong goy natingala ba sa tong forma. Doon na po'y murag IPG. Doon na po'y murag kitong mga kabantay kitong kuwan ba kitong
Ilbis?
kuha mo pare. Iyay. Doon na po'y kitong murag si doon na iri ba na panahuman gini ha. Ano to iya. Sige na.
Dayon. Napoy murag kuan katubang
Ika suliwad ba?
kapag sa liwad katong
Kita mo na.
katong cowboy.
Hey, kanta na ba?
Gangnam Style di ay ni siya.
Dili, ayaw.
Oh, okay. Okay, bass singers.
Okay.
We're the bass singers. 1 2 3 sing. Sa maning mga tawhana, oy.
Yabag.
Ha?
Laruhan niyo.
Di, atong bahigon kay puro taga bass. Naradyo sa tong ngalan, puro may bass. So, ikaw may bass.
Ako may bass
Kaya
kay.
ako ba siya?
Ako ra
Bass?
dako man ko makasagakot man ko.
Ako kay-
Isang biso.
Kinsay,
Kaya na. Pagpasalig ko na
Asa
ako.
ko,
Ako
tingin,
na
asa
ako.
ko.
sa kantonor ka, melody.
Kaya ni mo tong katong bass na tenor?
Oh,
Dili.
itong bass.
Lisod kina no. Ayaw
Okay,
lang ko
sige.
ang katurang tenor. Sige.
So,
Kaya-
bariton
kaya-
to.
No. Kapaulion na sila oh.
Lagi.
Siguro po ne.
Oh, siguro ni. Okay, sige. Sige mo na ron. 1 2
Sa. Ulat sa
Gusto mo nito? Ano eh? Agoy! Muli.
Di sa ako man mo nang wala ako bitoy may movie.
Alam.
Ano na makita doon?
Darado. Sige.
Okay.
Di pasensya na mo brothers and sisters. I would like to say sorry for everything, you know. Okay.
Okay, let's sing.
Tiban si Goliath na naman mo dire.
Okay. 1 2 3 sing.
When we leave this lowland, we will cross the Jordan, past this chilly torrent, heaven's joy awaits. Heaven is just beyond the big horizon. Heaven is just above the starry sky. Above this land of sorrow.
I'm gonna
Where heaven is inside, heaven is just what must be for us.
and there is
Just what to wait. Redemption's chorus.
I'm going
Heaven's joy awaits. Heaven's breeze is blowing, ooh, gently to me, calling, calling. I will soon be going, going through the pearly gates. Heaven is just beyond the horizon. Heaven is just above the starry sky. This land of sorrow.
I'm gonna wear
A burning tear inside every side. Heaven is just a little while before us.
and there is
Just a little while to wait. Patiently wait. From sing redemption's chorus.
I'm going
Heaven's joy awaits. Heaven awaits.
Wow, thank you so much. Hello? Okay. Wow. I love those parts. Okay, Jor, I think next time we have to practice, alright? It's like, wow, man, well, something like that, right? So, love, man, something like that. So, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for that wonderful performance. Don't you agree? Oh, don't you agree? Yes! Alright, thank you so much for that. So, our next performers will be given to us by, with Jeffrix and Arlene. I think I'll be included with this. So Jeffrix and Arlene will be performing Inday Kunching. So I think they will be ready. You're ready? Right. Okay. So it's a good thing that the microphones are working properly now. Thank you so much for that, Kuya Jory. Alright. Alright. Okay, I think they're ready. So again, let's give it up for Arlene and Jeffrey. Big hand, please. Thank you.
Inday kunci, ano ka kayo? Ako kaning masukot sa kinabuhi nga bukid yun. Inday kunci, wala kang uyon. Iadto ka sa tulong kapot, nakingin yun ng Amerikano. Inday kunci, at ikaw ka ang kapalaran wala nang nahuma. Inday kunci, ikaw na byuda. Ako nagkaduha-duha, bisan ako makaluluoy. Nabuhit lang sa kamuting kahoy, kaysa ako pang inusara. Itunan ko makalimtan ka. Ang kapalaran wala nang nahuma. Inday kunci, ikaw na byuda. Gusto kang bumalik pa. Kapag ako nagkaduha-duha, bisan ako makaluluoy. Nabuhi lang sa kamuting kahoy, kaysa ako pang inusara. Itunan ko makalimtan ka. Inday kunci, ang tasing-tasing ko, natalumi, hiling pagbalik mo. Inday kunci,
Thank you so much. Okay, sa mga yung nangida.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I ask another round of applause, please?
Yep.
Ayan, you were
Please,
doing
give a
good
round of
right
applause.
there, ah.
Yeah,
I
of
didn't
course.
expect that you're included in that number.
Of course, surprise, right? Surprise. Born actor, I
That's
guess.
so.
Born actor. See? Alright.
Okay. It's Christmas.
So again, guys, a big round of applause. Alright. I want to be savor a moment, you know? Okay, just savor the moment. Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm still speechless. I cannot imagine Ayan doing that kind of
Dead
role
man.
on stage.
Yeah, dead man rolling, you know?
Yeah.
What can I say?
Okay, so I think we'll jump off to the next number. Yeah. So the next number is an instrumental number again, which will be given to us by the Salas sisters. So I think they're ready. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big, big round of applause for the Salas sisters.
Kaysa akong pag-inusaran. Ito suga sulaw.
Naghahanap ka ng maaaya, ikasadyang walang magagawa. Talagang hanap ako kasawala. Hala, isip mo na lahat sa internet. Naubos ang load sa kakatext. Naghahanap ka lang naman ako ulit.
What are you waiting for? Call my number, knock on my door. Nandito lang ako. How I wish you'd let me know. Kung sino-sino bang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Ako na lang. Sana tayo na lang. Dalawa. Sana malaman mo pala. Tayo na lang. Dalawa. Ako na lang pwede lang ang wish. Ako na lang ang guess. Ako na lang ang inisip mo. Oh yeah. Hindi ko babasagin ang iyong trip. Whatever man ang gives mong gimmick. Sabay jamming at kaduet mo sa gilid. Astig. What are you waiting for? Call my number, knock on my door. Nandito lang ako. How I wish you'd let me know. Kung sino-sino bang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa, nandito lang naman ako.
So, nasabi pa sa, nandito lang naman ako, di ba? Di ba, Jang? Jang? Right? Speechless, right? Thank you so much. So, kung sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, dito na naman ako. Alright. Would you agree? Right. Right. Okay, so... Speechless, I'm sorry. So, next up, we have, I think, a special number. Do you know that we have a special guest right now? I think someone out there, and that small booth right there, the ghoul will appear. Okay? The ghoul will appear. Alright. So, that will be after this performance actually. So, this will be a pantomime. Performed first of all with Mr. Kim and Jeffries. Kim and Jeffries.
Pantomime. According to Wikipedia Encyclopedia, pantomime means the communication by means of gesture and facial expression. Some tourists make themselves understood abroad by pantomime, like the telling of a story without words by means of bodily movements, gestures, and facial expressions. It's a play, dance, or other theatrical performance characterized by such wordless